Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Wygo stands for when you get old. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I have the September 2023 Allure beauty box. What was special about this box compared to other boxes is if you already subscribed, we got an email and we were able to select from 3 products that would be in our box, which on the one hand sounds really fantastic, but the product I was first drawn to, thank goodness I keep record of everything I unbox. It was actually a product I had received a year or 2 ago in the Allure beauty box. I then saw comments on another video talking about the selections, and the other 2 products were also from previous Allure boxes. So if you're newer to Allure, yay. If you've been subscribed for quite some time, it was kind of a letdown because they were repeat products. I'll call out which product that was when I do the unboxing. By the way, if you aren't aware what the Allure beauty box is, it is a $25 a month beauty subscription where you get 6+ products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size and the others are deluxe samples. The box comes with a booklet, which will have commentary from beauty editors, as well as the MSRP price for the full-size item. All right, the first item is something from KIEHL'S. This is the Midnight Recovery Concentrate, and this is a 4 ml sample. I love how a tiny 4 ml sample comes with a little dropper. There's something about getting a sample size where the packaging is exactly the same as the full-size item. Next we have something from a brand I've never heard of called Kristen S. This is a reconstructive moisture mask, which, oh okay, it's for the hair. This says it's for all hair types, moisture reviving, strand softening, deeply nourishing, and sulfate free. We have a 0.9 fluid ounce or 27 ml sample. Ever since I dyed my hair and used Sun-In, my hair is a lot drier than normal. So I'm excited to give this product a try to see if it can soften up my hair. Next we have a product from LOM. This is a bougier brand that is really big in the EU. This here is the Rescue Mask. This here is a 50 ml tube, which is full size. It retails for $58. Dang. Unfortunately, I'm so lazy. I'm not into products like this. It says you have to leave it on your face for 20 minutes. I don't have time for that. I just take a quick shower and yeah, I'm not going to be in the shower for 20 minutes. Water is expensive. I'm sure many people would love this product. It's just personally not my jam. Alright, what else came in this box? Okay, we have something from MUDMASKY. This here is a pH balanced, anti-aging, hydrating, soothing, nourishing, purifying, fragrance-free, but what is it? I'm gonna need the help of my little friend here. Serum Infused Moisturizer. Okay, the words Serum Infused Moisturizer are in that little circle, the smallest text on this packaging. Alright, that doesn't sound too shabby. Alright, this is 40 ml, which I'm going to assume is full size. Let's take a look in the booklet and see what they have to say. Okay, yes, so this is full size. Holy cow! This retails for $55. At that price point, I think you could grab a better brand. $55, I want to say you can get something from LMS. Maybe not LMS. I don't know. Let me know if you've tried this product before, and if so, if I scored big time in the September beauty box. Alright, so far this is not my favorite box. Alright, next product. This is the one that I selected. I'm going to share on screen what those 3 products were we got to select from. So since I already owned the Kajal Bento eyeshadow trio, I selected this product here, which is from a brand called KULFI, and it's a Kajal eyeliner. It's in the shade Chiku, which is a brown. Now, I typically wear black eyeliners, but let's do a swatch to see if it's a warm brown, a dark brown, medium brown. What kind of brown are we talking about? Okay, it's a nice darker chocolatey brown. Alright, I'm not mad at that. Am I in love with it? No. But it could have been worse. It could have been another skincare product that I would never reach for. The eyeliner retails for $20, which is about standard for medium to higher end eyeliners. Alright, last item I'm already not excited about. And are they calling this a full size? Because it probably is. This here is from RAEL Beauty, and it's a collagen plump and smooth facial sheet mask. Did I already mention I'm a lazy girl? I don't use or wear face masks, and I cannot stand when beauty subscription boxes toss in a single mask and call it full size, because technically it is full size, but it's a one-time use product. They also typically run, well, it depends on how bougie the brand is. It's like a $5 to $10 item. Hold on, I'm very curious how much this face mask retails for. Oh, okay. No, it's not considered full size, because a full size is a 5-pack of the sheet mask, which retails for $15.99, which actually is a decent price. So one sheet mask here is a little over $3. So this would be considered deluxe sample. So that makes me feel slightly better. The eyeliner, I guess, would be the third full-size item. All right, let me recap everything I got in the September 2023 Allure Beauty Box. I got a sheet mask from RAEL Beauty, the Midnight Recovery Concentrate from KIEHL'S, a Reconstructive Moisture Hair Mask from Kristen S, a Serum Infused Moisturizer from MUDMASKY, the Rescue Face Mask from LOM, and a brown eyeliner from KULFI. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this box is not super exciting to me. Allure had been doing some fantastic boxes at least 3 months in a row. Last month's box was a little, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't as good as those other boxes. This is even less exciting than last month's box. So they were on an upswing, and now, in my opinion, they're starting to go down a little. It's still worth the $25 in my opinion. I mean, this one product is $55. So you get double the value of what you spent on the box in one product. I'm just being slightly picky because I don't use face masks. I don't like sheet masks. So there's 2 of the 6 products where I'm like, ugh. The brown liner I will possibly use, but I honestly reach for black liners. So that really leaves me with 3 products, and 2 of the 3 are samples. So is it horrible? No, I definitely got my $25 worth, but I've seen better boxes. But I'm very curious what your thoughts were on this box. If you love face masks or sheet masks, I bet you would thoroughly enjoy this box. So let me know if you think for $25 this was a good box. I'm going to list the MSRP total value, and I'm certain we're going to have well over $150 value for this box. So you definitely get your money's worth. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this box? If you enjoy face masks and sheet masks, I think you would love this box. If you're lazy like I am and those type of products don't excite you, you probably would feel the same as me. I got my $25 worth, but it wasn't the best box. But I'm very curious to hear what you thought about the box. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.